Is ElevenLabs not working for you? Whether you're dealing with voice generation failures, loading problems, missing features, login issues, or unexpected error messages, there are several troubleshooting steps that can usually get things working again. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix ElevenLabs not working in 2026. First, check whether ElevenLabs is experiencing a platform-wide outage. If the service is down or undergoing maintenance, you may need to wait until the issue is resolved before trying again. Next, refresh the page and sign out of your account if possible. Then sign back in and test the feature again. Temporary session issues can sometimes prevent the platform from working properly. If voice generation is failing, review your account usage, subscription status, and available credits. Reaching character limits or account restrictions can stop new generations from being created. Try generating a very short piece of text using one of the standard voices. If a simple test works but a longer script fails, the problem may be related to your input length or formatting. Browser problems are surprisingly common. Clear your browser cache and cookies, disable extensions temporarily, or try opening ElevenLabs in a different browser or private window. If you're getting poor quality audio, missing voices, or unusual output, review your selected voice and model settings. Sometimes changing voices or adjusting settings can resolve generation issues. Free accounts and some lower-tier plans may experience slower performance during busy periods. If generations are taking unusually long, wait a while and try again later, If none of these fixes work, contact ElevenLabs support and provide screenshots, error messages, and details about the problem. This can help their team diagnose account-specific issues more quickly. And that's how to fix ElevenLabs not working. In most cases, checking service status, reviewing account limits, testing with shorter scripts, and troubleshooting your browser will solve the issue. So yeah, work through these steps one at a time, and you'll usually be back to generating AI voices very quickly. Thanks for watching.